just friends right at the beginning when we both faced varsity blues. It was as good as it gets till I asked, what's your number? We talked before sunrise till noon. And then one day a little bit of heaven and a moon struck me out of my mind. I knew I had to say the proposal just to make you mine the first time. I'm so glad you said I do. So glad you said I do. I'm so glad you said I do. Life is beautiful when you wrote for me a poem like Shakespeare in love, and it's all because you said I do. So glad you said I do. I'm so glad you said I do. You are the girl next door, but my pretty woman who turned my crazy heart around. You are pretty in pink with hairspray together. You bedazzled every guy in town. When you say let's just go with it, when you heard that I've never been kissed, you hitched my heart and booked the wedding singer, giving me my biggest wish. When you finally said I do. You finally said I do. I'm so glad you said I do. You were singing in the rain when our umbrella was gone with the wind that day. That's why I'm glad you say I do. So glad you said I do. Oh, love is like a love story from a movie scene. A love actually will last most truly from here to eternity. I'm so glad you said I do. So glad you said I do.